I've come for this event done by Silver Arrow.
So I had a great experience today with Mercedes-Benz Silver Arrow.
Never thought an off-roading experience can be that much of fun, especially driving a Mercedes.
We just got done with our off-road drive and it was really incredible to see what the GLS was capable of.
And it was a phenomenal experience with the team here.
Events like this need to be done more often to give customers and people an understanding about the vehicle. Thank Silver Arrow for the event. Thank you.